You cannot use federal government money to sponsor an individual business. This is businesses that people are doing. So the people that are doing the business should be able to, they are very rich people, they are very wealthy people, they own thousands of cows, so they can be able to afford land and ranch their distance. Are we talking about grazing? Where in the world, in the modern world, do they graze now? It is ranch. Buy a land and ranch your distance there and do what you have to do there, instead of coming to farms, killing innocent farmers who are struggling day by day to earn a living. That we say no. The federal government must have to do something about it now, because we do not understand what's going on anymore. We knew the Fulani herdsmen in the past as people that used to have stick, long stick on their shoulders, and today we have people carrying semi-automatic rifles, machine guns, shooting, maiming people, destroying homes and churches and whatever. We say no to this. We must put an end to this. There must be a stop. The international community has to hear about this. There must be a pressure on Nigerian government to do something, and do it right now before it escalates. That's what I'm saying. Thank you very much.
I think it is more of an economic situation. The Fulani herdsmen only move their cattle to the southern parts of the country to sell the meat. If we, as a tribe, or the southern Nigerian people decide to boycott the Fulani beef, they won't have a market that they will be tramping on foot across the country to go to. They make it easy for themselves to feed them free by stealing from our farmers and then selling it to us and making a profit off of it. Meanwhile, at the same time, when we stop them from stealing from us, they kill us. So I think it's more of an economic situation that needs to be stopped. If we can come within ourselves and decide to boycott buying Fulani beef, then we will hit them where it really hurts. Not just the legal part, but the economic part.
But you have to plan properly. Don't count the on Facebook.
Felt initially that Nigeria should divide, but when an administration says that they want Nigeria to stay together, but then your actions and your deeds say something different, as a people we can't continue to allow our people to die and nothing is being done about that situation. The president has the power and the ability to stand up and step out and say, this is wrong, irrespective of who it's coming from. But when you stay silent, when you don't speak up, when you don't say this is wrong, end of story, you are helping people continue to push that divide, and that hatred and that division shall continue. So wrong is wrong. It doesn't matter who perpetrates that wrong. And what is happening right now in Nigeria, and it always seems to be that the people from the East suffer the most in every kind of atrocity. Either speak up and say it is wrong and anybody caught in this act will be punished, or you are continuing to invoke that spirit of the past and people will say it's time for everyone to go their separate ways. If you want the country to stay together, then let your actions, word and deeds show that you care for everybody, not after pressure but immediately. So I'm just simply saying, either we start to heal those lines through the actions of the presidency, or maybe it is time to consider whether everyone should go their separate ways. But the killing of people, innocent people, has gone on long enough and it can no longer continue. That's what I
We can no longer talk to somebody who's not listening. The president is not listening. So it is incumbent on us in a democratic society to put pressure on the people that will listen. Our president is not listening to us. And what I suggest as a way to solve the problem is for every governor to use their rights under public order and their rights actually in the constitution to ban grazing and herding by foot in every state. That's the only way we can deal with the problem. So that any herdsman that decides to herd his cattle by foot will be arrested and his cows confiscated.
massacre! Buhari! Stop the massacre! Buhari! Stop the massacre!